Welcome to all. Today we are going to learn a very interesting topic in software engineering, design patterns. Space and Technologies proudly present this. Agenda of this video is making a small introduction about design pattern and overview of design pattern, history about design pattern, benefits and criticisms, and types of design pattern. Design pattern is a technique that is being used to address problems which occur frequently in software engineering instead of rediscovering solutions from scratch. For example, while designing a car wheel, rubber tire would be the optimal solution when compared to wood because they have a better shock absorption. Repairing rubber tires are much easier than wood, and wear and tear of rubber tires are better than wood. So comparing these two materials, instead of taking wood, rubber material is considered as optimal solution. Design pattern captures the expert knowledge as reusable solution. Overview of design pattern. Design patterns are independent of programming languages, which means a design pattern represents an idea, not a particular implementation. By using design patterns, you can make your code more flexible, reusable, and also easily maintainable. It is not mandatory to implement design patterns in our projects unless otherwise needed, but you need to have a better understanding in order to pick and implement the correct patterns as needed. History of design pattern. Traditional engineering already have predefined the steps for component-based design. For example, in designing gears, predefined steps are available to the engineers. But in software engineering, we don't have any concrete design steps to follow. Father of pattern language, Christopher Alexander, an architect, wrote a book named A Pattern Language, Towns, Buildings, Constructions, explaining 253 architectural patterns. Likewise, in software engineering, Gang of Four in 1995 published a book called Elements of Reusable Object-Oriented Software. Benefits of design pattern. Design pattern explicitly captures knowledge of experts and make their knowledge available to the new designers. Design pattern improves communication among designers as pattern names itself form a vocabulary. Design pattern helps documenting the architecture of a system and hence enhances understanding. Design pattern enable large-scale reuse of software architectures. Design pattern may promote loose coupling between objects as it embraces well-tested WOOP designs best practice. Criticisms of design patterns. We may overuse design patterns and we may incline to some particular design pattern. Okay, if needed, then only we can use design patterns. Gang of Four, in their book Design Patterns, Elements of Reusable Object-Oriented Software, they have catalogued a collection of 23 patterns under 3 categories. The top categories are creational design pattern, structural design pattern, behavioral design pattern. If you have doubts, then you may visit our site www.learningupskills.com. If you have any comments, send us on this mail. Thank you.